Alright, here we go.
Okay, Mia. Oh.
So this is a video of Mia's snow fort. All the snow that came in made a big drift behind the house. And so we've been building a snow cave. Mia, tell us about your shelter you built.
It's made out of snow.
It's made out of snow. Did you take it all?
Also, the sun throws snow out.
Why don't you go in there and we'll follow you into your shelter, into your snow cave.
Okay.
Not Mia. Yeah.
All right. There she goes. Here we go. Oops, I pushed a button. Oh well.
It's already dark in here.
It's not so dark.
Not that dark, though.
There she goes. What do you got to say about your snow shelter?
Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it.
No, don't do that.
How long did it take you to build this?
Pull down Daddy.
Mia, how long did it take you to build this?
About an hour. 30 minutes.
More like about 3 hours
I want to go inside. Okay, Mia?
of digging.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my God, it's not cold here. Wow.
it's getting crowded in here.
Wow. Isn't that cold?
I think Morgan will find this little hole and she'll probably stay out here. You look cold there.
Yeah.
That's a little girl who had her first big snowstorm and is probably very cold right now. Are you cold?
Yeah.
You want to go inside?
I want to show you an amazing thing.
Oh my God, this is awesome. Wow.
All right, I'm gonna follow her back out.
Wow.
Huh? I can see you from here.
Hi. This is my first snowstorm too. The first one.
Let's see you all inside.
Okay, Mia, we'll see you in a little bit. Say goodbye to your viewers, to your fans, to your followers. Is that a goodbye?
Goodbye.
All right, we'll see you later.
Please don't post that on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay.
Without your written permission?
No, what are you doing, Mia? There's no exit.
That's how Morgan escaped. She jumped over that. All right, I'm gonna turn it off.